In this video, I will share with you how to change your site homepage in Hostinger Website Builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to Websites. And next to the website you want to work on, click on this Edit Website button. First, let's give this website a visit. As you see, this is the home page of this website right now. And let's make this shop page as the home page. So go to your website builder, go to pages, and next to the page you want to click, or you want to make the home page of your website, click on these three dots. Click on or select make home page. And as you see, just like that, this little home icon was switched or moved from home to this shop page. Let's show you this. Now it will jump to the contact, next to the contact page. Just like that. Let's return it to the shop page. Close this window. And let's view my website live. Or let's refresh this home page and see if it changes to the shop page. And just like that, my home page is changed. And this is how to change your site homepage in Hostinger Website Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.